A care facility recently received an official notice for violating the Fire Service Act. The problem started when a sprinkler pipe corroded due to a roof leak. Eventually, part of the ceiling collapsed, hitting the area below, triggering a safety violation. We were called in for emergency repairs. First, we stopped the water leak and replaced the damaged ceiling panels. It's important to know, around sprinkler heads, you must not place anything within 30 centimeters horizontally or 45 centimeters vertically. These areas must remain clear to avoid interference with water spray. The repair work involved replacing the corroded framework and part of the plasterboard, then finishing with paint. The entire job took about 1 week and cost around 200,000 yen. Thankfully, the building passed the fire safety inspection without further issues. Early detection could have saved both time and money. So please, take this as a reminder to stay on top of fire safety regulations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.